so what is going on, everybody? Welcome to another recap video. I did not do one yesterday just because I felt like there was just really nothing to talk about. Everything was still stuck exactly how we left it the previous day. It was just no point. I didn't feel like, it was a good day to just come out here and, sit here and start ranting for obviously no apparent reason. But today, it's gonna be a way shorter video. I'm not gonna get into recap. I'm not gonna get into overnight action. I'm pretty sure everybody that woke up today and saw that we gapped up, everybody was expecting the same thing. We were all expecting a washout at the open. It's what normally happens. You believe the theory of inventory, how price action works, then you would expect, for New York to decline this giant inventory that basically the London session was just dropping on them. So it did not happen. We actually chopped around a bit, as you guys can see. I have the charts already up here. So we chopped around a bit, this and that, blah, blah, blah. And then we finally started moving. We tried to end higher, but then again, completely just chopped. But we still made, we had a trending day. We were making new higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, so on and so forth. So let's talk about CPI, the reading tomorrow. So there is a lot of negative, and I say negative, outlook on this CPI. And my lord, when has Wall Street ever said something and it happened? I can't remember. Oh wait, never, right? NFP last week, Goldman came out at night. Oh, it's gonna be a negative reading. It's gonna be negative 250. Everybody was like, shit, it's gonna be crazy. They're pinning gold. They're dropping gold. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be a good move, right? So what happened? Completely manipulated report, right? Report came out. They raised their estimates right after the report came out. The report was positive 467,000. I think I could be wrong with that number, but that was crazy, right? So you had Goldman, you had even FOMC members were speaking and just creating so much negative reaction, and we didn't even get that. And this CPI, I am so sorry. I will be wrong, and I will make a video tomorrow, and I'll sit here and look at the camera and say, guys, I was completely wrong with what I said. I admit it. I was wrong. I didn't get this one right. But I don't know. I don't have it's not even a gut feeling because I don't believe in, gut feelings and whatnot. But it was something like, I just can't sit here and trust Wall Street. Wall Street has never said something that was going to happen. The opposite reaction always happens. Gold has been rising like crazy. And if you guys understand how institutions buy something like gold, for example, they buy it at the bottom, not that they raised it up. So if they're gonna buy out of a bad CPI reading, out of a crazy positive CPI reading, why would they buy here? Shouldn't you buy here? Why would you buy here? So gold is ripping, the market, everything's moving. So I'm looking at things like, what? I think this is gonna be it's being overplayed, and it's gonna be completely against everything they said. I actually think the CPI reading is going to be around 6.7. I think last month was 6.8. I think we're not even going to be at 7.0. I think this is all a fucking joke at this point. And excuse my language, I'm really trying not to curse in my recaps, but I have no reason to trust Wall Street. And the main video today is just how I feel that CPI outlook is going to be. Again, I'll make a video tomorrow if I'm wrong. I'll admit it. If I'm right, I'm not gonna make a video or throw a party. I might smoke a good cigar, but I'm not gonna sit here and be like, "Oh, I was right. You see, I know everything." That's not my character or who I am. But I just think it's gonna be one of those things. They're overplaying like no tomorrow. And let's take a look real quick at the Qs and Spies Daily. Everybody's freaking out. Everybody's like, "Oh, we're reversing. Oh, Spy 480, Spy 480." Bro. Bro, look at the daily. Look at this little candle right here, right? This was our, and I quote, on a downtrend, our lower high. Are we here? No, we're here. So we're not here yet. We're still here, right? So why are bulls screaming that they won the war? Not yet. Not yet at all. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's see how the market reacts. Let's see what happens with all this little crappy information. But guys, this is not rocket science at this point. but you need to zoom out and look at the chart on the bigger picture, right? I like bull runs as much as the next guy. I like sell-offs as much as the next guy. But you know what I really like? Those monthly wire transfers out of my account. Those are the best. That's what I love, right? So don't be biased. Just trade whatever the chart is. If things look like they were gonna go up, okay. You know, if the uptrend is determined, you know, don't buy at the breakout to minimize your risk. Buy into support. You know that, right? Okay, I don't have anything here. I really don't want to have to draw this out. I can't believe I really looked to draw it out. But you know, everybody knows what an uptrend is, right? So let me give you an example. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, so look, this is a good example, right? So let me see, actually, is this one better? No, this one's better. I like the Q's better. So uptrend, right? So higher low, higher low, higher low, right? So this is a higher low, right? Correct. So did this candle break here? No, right? This candle did not break that. So why would you go short? You haven't gone and broken that, you know, that support. No reason to, right? If we would have broken here, we would have most likely gone to here. Then we would have done this. And then we would have done this. Right? Hope everybody understands what I'm trying to explain. But it's something as simple as a trend that you got to keep in mind how it works, right? So I really don't know what else to say. I really hope that I hope that I am wrong with the readings tomorrow. If I'm right, again, wow, nice one, Wall Street. You know, FOMC members are playing this bullshit too. Nice. But yeah, let's see what it is. I really think it's not gonna be not so bad reading. I don't see a reason why they would basically just let out a bad number and not manipulate it, you know, when you're trying to make the Fed look well. The Fed is already basically responsible for inflation. So, you know, we're going to keep blaming the people that did it. Like, we know they did it. We'll fix it. You know, we don't care anymore what you did. You said 2%. Brother, we're by 7. Well, you know, like, you go to the street, and I keep saying the pack of gum story. I went to buy gum the other day, right? It was like 2 weeks ago. Stopped at the gas station. I get down. I get the little, you guys know those little, like, they're like little cubes, right? The little packs that come with the little cube gum. And I put it in the counter, and the guy goes, oh, it's $8. And I looked at him, and I was like, bro, I used to pay $3.99 for this. And he's like, yeah, me too. Now it's 8. Is that 7% or 100%? But who knows at this point. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up already. I'm excited for the CPI report tomorrow. Hopefully this gives some clear direction into the coming session. But let's see what it is. I will not be trading gold tomorrow for the reading after what happened with NFP and that bullshit they did. I'm not gonna risk the money. But yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your evening, and let's see what we get tomorrow. All right, take care, everybody.